If you're seeing Telegram error 429, that usually means Telegram has temporarily rate limited your account or your device because too many actions were performed in a short period of time. The good news is, in most cases, this is not permanent, and you can usually fix it with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Telegram error 429 quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. First, the most important thing to do is wait it out. If Telegram shows a specific time in the error message, stop all activity on Telegram for that exact duration. Do not keep trying to send messages, join groups, or repeat the action that triggered the error, because that can make the restriction last longer. If Telegram does not give you a time, a safe rule is to wait anywhere from 1 to 24 hours. In many cases, the error clears on its own once Telegram resets the limit on your account. So before doing anything else, give it some time and avoid unnecessary activity. If waiting does not solve the problem, the next step is to change your IP or network connection. Telegram may sometimes associate the restriction with your current network, so switching to a different connection can help. You can do this by disconnecting from your current Wi-Fi and reconnecting, restarting your router, or using a mobile hotspot from your phone. Once you get a new IP address, open Telegram again and check if the error is gone. This step is especially useful if the issue is tied to your network rather than the account itself. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is flushing your network cache. This is a helpful step if your Windows network settings are holding on to outdated or corrupted data. On your PC, open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Once the window opens, type ipconfig/flushtons and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets your network socket settings. After both commands are complete, restart your computer so the changes take effect. After your computer restarts, open Telegram again and test it. In many cases, combining these steps will clear the error and get everything working normally again. The most important thing is to be patient, especially if the limit was triggered by too many actions in a short time. Telegram often resolves this automatically once the cooldown period ends. If you are still seeing error 429 after waiting, changing networks, and resetting your network cache, then the issue may be linked to repeated automated behavior, suspicious activity, or account-level restrictions. In that case, stop using the account for a while and try again later. Also make sure you are not using any unofficial tools or automation that could trigger Telegram's limits again. So to recap, the fastest way to fix Telegram error 429 is to wait out the restriction, switch to a different IP or network, and flush your network cache using Command Prompt on Windows. These steps solve the problem for most users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.